It can really change your life. Backpack Shoulder Bag 1. Shoulder Bag 2. Briefcase. For ways to carry. You can take in MacBook, notebook, keyboard, clothes, everything you want. Imagine a world where functionality meets style, where practicality meets sophistication. That's the world we're creating with our multifunctional business backpack. Guess how much this bag can hold? Take a bold guess. Yes, all can be taken in and stay organized. The bag combines the frame of the suitcase with the size of the backpack, the actual use. And the expansion function is designed. It's a mobile workstation. The third-generation USB interface only needs one cable, allowing you to realize the freedom of charging without burden. We started this journey because we saw a gap in the market. We saw hardworking professionals struggling with bags that couldn't keep up with their dynamic lives, bags that were either too bulky, too small, or just not designed for the modern professional. The material of the bag is made of environmentally friendly, strong and waterproof leather without losing luxury. We pay attention to every detail and user experience. Countless attempts and modifications have produced the bag. You can carry it to any occasion and match it with any clothes. For ways of carrying it, double-sided style. It is very suitable for travel, business, and dating.